So you've heard about the 2023 Mental Fitness Diary and you're wondering if it's right for you or as a gift for someone you care about. Let's take a look inside. Every year, Resilience Agenda releases a fully updated 192-page A5 calendar year diary and planner that starts in January and ends in December. It's available in 5 stylish colours and is made from the highest quality FSC certified paper and the highest levels of hand craftsmanship. This isn't a normal diary like you'd find in your local shop. Everything about it is designed to help you make mental fitness a reality in your life. What makes our diary unique is the way it combines all the best elements of a traditional paper planner with content, inspiration and activities that help you discover and apply the skills of mental fitness each and every day. So what's inside? To start with, the diary is divided into 52 weekly spreads where you can plan out your everyday appointments or use the space to make time for activities that support your well-being. There are also yearly overviews, monthly planning sections, weekly goals, daily top priorities, and of course dozens of tips, strategies and ideas to support you and keep you motivated. The feature that our supporters love the most are the chapters at the start of every month that outline an important and often overlooked or misunderstood mental fitness skill. These monthly chapters are written in approachable, everyday language that takes the mystery out of improving your mental health, equipping you with the skills to better overcome life's challenges and to look ahead to the future with confidence. To make it happen, we give you choices for how to apply the skills in ways that match your lifestyle. Whether you've had challenges with mental health in the past or you've never given it a second thought before, our 2023 diary can give you a completely new perspective on how you manage your mental health. What will you learn from the diary over the space of a year? You'll learn all about mental fitness and how it's the future of mental health. You'll discover the Resilience Agenda Mental Fitness Toolkit, 10 powerful ideas backed by science that help us stay healthy, that reduce stress, and that give us the feeling that we're in control of our lives. Most importantly, you'll discover that mental health can be protected and improved, no matter where we start from. Discover the life-changing and common-sense skills of mental fitness today for yourself, or inspire someone in your life with a unique and meaningful gift. Check out the shop at our website to learn more today. Thanks for helping us change the meaning of mental health.